To all the bloggers out there, if you're using Weebly to build your website and you'd like to add a blog post to that site, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's dive straight in. So to add that blog post, we are going to make sure that we're in our Weebly editor, and right at the top you'll see build, and then you'll see pages. We want to go into pages. Now this is important because if you have chosen a theme that is not a blog theme, you will not have some of these options that we're going to have a look at. However, it is possible to have a blog post on any one of the themes on Weebly. So under pages, you'll look for two options, either blog page or updates. If you haven't got any of those options, you can click on the plus icon. Here you will see of those options. So let's click on blog page. Here you can give it a name and change the styling. Once you're done, right at the top, you can click on done, and you will now be inside that page. You'll see it'll be indicated by being blue. From here, you can see this is what your blog page will look like. We are going to click on new post on the bottom over here. Okay, so once we click on new post, you'll see that now we are in the blog editor. This is now specific to the blog editor. Over here, we have a block where we will add our elements in over here. So you can add a title. So let's say blog post number 1. All right, and here you can drag elements in. So let's drag a title. Let's also drag some text. Depending on the nature of your blog, let's slide in a map there. And then you can go on to edit all of these things. So let's edit a title. So this is title of the blog, and here we are going to add in our text. You'll add in whatever text that you need for your actual blog post. Over here, the map as well. If you click on the map, you'll see you can change the address, and there are some additional options as to what it looks like, as well as the advanced location and advanced display. I urge you to go in there and check out what it looks like so that you can customize it. Once you're done, you'll see on the bottom left here, you'll see some post options. Here we can publish this immediately, or we can schedule a time. We can also have the comments open, close, or require approval before they are public. And then you can add it to a category if you have pre-made categories. And then you'll have a secret draft link. So before you actually publish it, this will be the link that you'll use to share it. And there's some advanced options such as SEO post title, as well as a post description. So you can just optimize that for search. Once we're done, we'll see on the top right hand side, there's a few options. You can just save it. This means it will not be public yet. You can also click on this drop down menu. You can discard it. But if you're happy with your blog post, you can go and click on post. You'll see now it says blog post added. Fantastic. And to click on close, and you'll be able to see it on your website.